Hello, dear Botanicas learners. Welcome back to our botany class. So, we are discussing the topic of Bentham and Hooker classification, which is a natural system of the classification. Already in part 1 video, we have been discussed about 70% information. So, the remaining information in this video, we are going to discuss. So, let's see what is that remaining information. So, in last video, we have started already dicotyledone. In this video, we are going to discuss gymnospermae and remaining classification and the information. So, gymnospermae is next class. Gymnosperms, in the sense we knew naked seeds. In the sense the seeds are not located inside the fruit. So, seeds are visible and naked to our eyes, because scientists they have given the name gymnospermae. And especially one more unique part, ovary is absent. So these two are the main characteristic features. So under this gymnospermae, we can be seen families like Neetaceae, Coniferaceae, Cycadaceae. So dear everybody, once again, under the gymnosperm, ovary is absent, Neetaceae, Coniferaceae, Cycadaceae. So these are the families, just a small information. Then coming to last one, Monocotyledone, class number 3. This is class number 2, class number 3. So mono in the sense single, cotyledons in the sense seed-like structures. So here monocotyledone in the sense they are single seed-like structures during their embryo growth, and parallel venation can be seen, fibrous root system can be seen, and one more characteristic feature is trimerous flowers or less than trimerous flowers can be seen, in the sense only 3 petals, not more than 3 petals. More than 3, 5 and poly in the sense that is dicotyledone. So that is monocotyledone main characteristic feature. And remaining characteristic features we can be seen here already. I told you just now, trimerous, and this one parallel venation, in the sense veins are arranged parallelly each together. And in this monocotyledone, total 7 series and 8 families can be seen. In the sense the both scientists they have included or added 7 series and 8 families. Okay, so parallel venation, fibrous root, trimerous or less than trimerous flowers can be seen. The best example, Aracaceae, the family, and Poaceae. So these Aracaceae and Poaceae families comes under monocotyledone, dear Botanicas learners. Although this system is highly unique and great and approved by the different scientists throughout the world, but demerits also can be seen in this system, in the sense objections, negative features according to the classification of the plants under this system. First we will go through merits, then we will come to know about demerits, objections. So the positive features or merits of Bentham and Hooker system is, one is this is a natural system of the classification, that is an excellent merit. So naturally this system is proposed based on the morphological features. So next here the gymnospermae is placed in between dicotyledone and monocotyledone. So that is one of the feature and merit. Then Ranales, the system of the classification starts from Ranales, and Ranales group is the primitive most and the oldest group on this earth in our nature. So that is one of the merit Runnels. And in this system we can be study about each and every plant individual features. So individually according to the features and the arrangement and the systematic position or hierarchy A to Z, individually the information can be studied. Then in this system, these all type of plants, whichever they are categorized, they are included under different genera, subgenera, classes, subclasses, series, and families and species and everything. So around 97,000 of the species and around 200 plus of the families. These all are included under these genera, class, and what it is called subgenera, series, subseries, genus and species and families, whatever it may be. So these all are the merits of Bentham and Hooker classification. Then coming to demerits, this entire system is classified under or give the preparation and that uniqueness to only for the ovary arrangement and the perianth type. That's it. So ovary and perianth, except these two, then remaining characteristic features are did not consider by or Bentham and Hooker scientist for this classification. Okay, and these monocotyledone, this monocotyledone is man-made, in the sense artificial. So most of the scientists, what they have proposed and objected in the sense, the monocotyledone class is completely artificial, that is not natural. That objection kept in front of the world by the most of the scientists. Then the families. Coming to the families, some type of families are closely related even though they are separated and they are kept under different another series and another type of classes and subclasses, even though they are closely related. So that family information also slightly wrong according to few scientists and their objections. Next, the final demerit is here in this classification system, phylogenetic information is not considered. Phylogeny in the sense the evolutionary history of a plant or an evolutionary history of an organism is known as phylogeny. So here evolutionary history is not taken under consideration, only based on the morphological characters. This entire system is given by Bentham and Hooker scientists, Britishers or Englishmen. So dear everybody, this is the entire and detailed information regarding famous natural system of classification Bentham and Hooker, the scientist, they have been proposed. Very important one. So in our one more video, we will meet with one more beautiful topic. Till then, dear Botanicas learners, good luck.